Hey, good morning.
Good morning, Dale. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm a little bit hoarse, but I'm hanging in there.
Well, it's winter, you know.
What can you do? You just sit and take it. But we got some changes coming in the market. Why don't you tell us about it?
Yeah, unfortunately, rates have gone up a little bit, and unfortunately, there's nothing we can do about it. Many of the experts are targeting May as when we're going to get some relief, but hard to say. With rising interest rates, always changing strategies. Just so you know, we do reverse mortgages for refinance and purchase. The 2-1 buy downs we've talked about in the past. Construction loans, getting ready for construction season. I know Nora's done a lot of prep for that. Commercial loans, the down payment assistance, closing costs. But there's also other options. Nora, tell us about some of the non-QM stuff.
Yeah, so non-QM, non-qualified mortgage, meaning the government's not going through and giving their rubber stamp of approval on these. So they do feature higher interest rates, but these are the options where all those others don't really qualify. So bank statement loans, they're pretty good, especially for people who are probably self-employed and their tax returns don't show very much income. And we do no income loans. There are other programs out there, and what we do is we really take a look at what the specific profile of the person who's needing a loan has, and we custom tailor what might be the best option for them. So, but
they won't like the rates.
Yeah, they won't like the rates. But I do know that there's actually something really brewing in 2023, especially when it comes to FHA.
Mm-hmm. Yep. This is a godsend. Used to be FHA was poor credit. That's how you went, because you got a little bit decent on the rate and it wasn't such a brutal hit when you have poor credit going conventional. FHA pretty much dropped their mortgage insurance almost half. The factor was 0.85%. Now it's 0.55%. That is an absolute wonderful thing.
Yeah, and it was always a toss-up. You'd compare the conventional loan with the FHA loan, and a lot of the times, the FHA features lower interest rates traditionally, but with the mortgage insurance, a lot of times FHA and conventional, they would be so close together, FHA sometimes higher. It was always a toss-up. This puts it in a different ballpark. Even if you have a really good credit score and you qualify for conventional, FHA might even be something that competes with it.
Especially if you're a short-term borrower and you only want to put 3.5% down.
Yeah. And I do know we have the FHA Dream Home program, which features 0% down. So if you want to learn more about that, we'll either make a video or you can give us a call, email, and we'll be glad to give you more details. But that's FHA Dream Home program. So we do the buy downs. Just want to throw that out. Make sure you guys know all of these yellow sections and fields completely, you put it in and it shoots everything out. That's it. That's all you would need. If you would like one of these for your office or for yourself, go ahead, shoot us an email. We'll make one for you, send it out, and it's yours to use. I do know we have a credit seminar tonight. Dale, why don't you tell us about it?
So tonight, the credit seminar, this is not a credit repair seminar. This is a credit education seminar. People need to know about credit and how it affects them being able to get a mortgage and how it's going to impact their life. That's tonight at 5 o'clock at the office.
Yep. And what's happening 2 weeks from tonight?
2 weeks from tonight is the first time homebuyer seminar. And we do those the first and the third Tuesday of every month. And this is to send your buyers to learn what it takes to buy a home, to find out if they're even ready to buy a home. Again,
we do
5
go
o'clock.
through changes.
I'm so sorry?
No, that's all right. We do go through the changes that happened this year so they can be educated and ready for what's coming.
Absolutely. 5 o'clock at the office, 171 Main Street, Jackson.
Yeah. Other than that, that's all we got for today.
Have a great day.
All right. Take care.
Bye.